Holman once said, chemistry is all about what things are made of and how can we change them. So, good afternoon, everyone. Today, all of us are gathered here to understand how engrossing and exciting can a subject really be. I would like to kickstart Desi Chem in presence of our honorable chief guest, Mrs. Pongli ma'am, assistant professor, and all our respected faculties, and my dear colleagues. I am Rani Das, cordially welcome all of you to our technical event, Desi Chem. I would like to request Honorable Chief Guest, Assistant Professor Mrs. Pongli ma'am, to share a few words of wisdom with us.
Thank you, Ma. You're able to hear me, Ma?
Your voice is breaking, madam.
Bhavya, are you able to hear me?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Yes, okay. There was some technical problem, I think. Yes, sorry for the disturbance. Good afternoon, everyone. I just thank you for inviting me to be a part of this SRM Chemical Club, first of all. And I congratulate all of you to start this SRM Chemical Club after a lot of your efforts. Okay, first, I just wanted to congratulate all the organizers for starting this SRM Chemical Club, and frequently are conducting various activities also. That's really a great job that you are doing. Okay. This SRM Chemical Club has been started in order to expose our chemical engineering department to the universities and to the outsiders. It's like a promotional activity for our department and to expose the talent of our chemical engineering students also. And when after this club has been started, there are a series of events that has been organized by our students, such as technical talk, various alumni interactions with the students, as well as some of the other events, such as now you are conducting this technical event, some game events also. Okay, I just wanted to congratulate all the organizers for taking so much of effort to organize this event. As far as this event is considered, I think this is going to be a small technical as well as game event, which will expose all the engineers to the chemical engineering area, and our chemical engineering department also. Okay. Thank you all for giving me this opportunity. I just don't want it to take much of your time. Okay, thank you all for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this SRM Chemical Club for today's event, and I wish all success for all the future endeavors. Okay. All the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your golden words.
Thank
now
you.
I would request our coordinator of TSCC, Dr. Nagesh Kumar sir. Please share your experience with us, sir.
Thank you very much, Ma. Good afternoon to all of you. I think the initiative taken by you, I think it is very, very impressive. Okay. I think for the past 1 or 2 months, you people are trying to get more speakers from outside, more interaction with the experts from industries, as well as we had some talk based on last week also. I think we had a talk with alumni also. So the exposure, whatever the participants they are getting from this chemical club is very impressive. So I appreciate the efforts taken by all the members of this club. And today also, I think you have taken a new initiative, that is Desi Chem. I think in this event, you have two games also. That is learning the chemical engineering concepts with the games. Okay. So I wish the participants a very best of luck for them. I think you have two games here, Elementron and ChemCross. Okay. So I think we also will enjoy the games, whatever you mentioned here. So we are also that is very keen to understand how this game is going to be conducted. So anyway, it is a very, very, very good initiative. I hope the participants will gain more knowledge out of this. Okay, so in a playful manner, they are going to learn the concept of chemical engineering. I wish the team the best of luck.
Yes, definitely, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Welcome.
Now I would request Chandan Upadhyay, President of our Chemical Club, to share a few words with us.
Thank you, Indrani, for this. I will not take much of the time. I will just tell something about what is going behind the scene. This whole event is managed by our juniors, third and second year. So I'm very much happy with this that they have took this initiative, and since they are the upcoming backbone of our club, so I really congratulate them on this event. It's well said that half done is like half success, and since this event has been conducted in a very faithful manner till now, I think we have achieved half success. So thank you so much to all the third years and second years, and special thanks to Bhavya. Bhavya has been handling this all things, and I know he was too busy with this, but then too he is giving his lot of time to this event. So thank you so much, Bhavya. And that's it. All the best, guys. All the best participants. The best maybe.
Thank you, Chandan, for such encouraging words. Now, further, without any ado, let's proceed to our games rounds.
Okay, so we'll be waiting another 5 minutes for all the participants to join.
Hello, participants. Thank you for joining. We'll start the event shortly. I request all of you to kindly switch on your videos. I want to inform that as a part of the rules of the games, your video should be on throughout the event. Thank you so much for your kind cooperation. On behalf of the SRM Chemical Club, I would like to welcome all of you to the technical event, DesiChem. I hope you will be enjoying it to your fullest. I request all the participants to write the answers in a paper with your name on the top of it and send it to the WhatsApp number of your respective invigilators provided by the evaluating team. We'll be starting our first game now. I request Ms. Suvi to give a brief description for our first game, Elementron.
So, hello everyone. Now I will share the game rules for the round 1, which is Elementron. So, you will be provided with 15 questions to solve in 10 minutes. You have to guess the element by looking at the image on the screen and hint given with it. Each slide will be on screen for only 40 seconds. Participants can take a photograph of the question in case they are not able to solve the question in the given time. Total time given for all questions is 10 minutes, and there will be a 2-minute buffer time for all the questions. And if participants are not able to solve the question in 40 seconds, they can take a snap of the question and solve it in another question time if they solve that question early on. Participants will be provided with a question that consists of 2 or 3 images. They might get a hint from the image provided and guess the element. The question can be straightforward or they might be twisted. The participant have to figure out the problem and solve the question. There will be a buffer time of 10 minutes between the two games. Okay, so you just give me a moment. I will share my screen and explain you with the help of an example. Can you guys see one example on your screen? Hello?
Yes, we can see it, Ma. We can see it.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, as in the first picture, we can see a little boy measuring his height, and on the second picture, we can see a person is drawing something. And on the third pic, we can see a gentleman standing there. So, with the help of these three pictures, you will be getting a hint. And after combining those hints, you can guess the element. So, like in the first pic, you can guess the element height, which is you can see that one little boy is measuring his height, so you can guess height. And in the second pic you can see one person is drawing something, so you can guess draw. And in the third picture you can see a gentleman, so you can guess gen. So if you guys will combine these three words, then you can easily guess one element, which is hydrogen. So if you guys have any doubt, then you can feel free to ask me. So if anyone has no doubt, then we can proceed further.
I request Sarthak now to share the questions. Here is our first question. participants will be sharing the questions again, but this time the time will be 20 seconds for each question. I would again like to request all the participants to switch on your cameras.
Hello guys, 10 minutes have passed. Now you only have 5 minutes to submit the answers, like do the solution. 2 minutes more. Okay, guys, so game time is over. Now you guys have to submit the answers between 2 minutes to the respective invigilators. Once you have sent the answers, you can raise your hand in the meet.
Good afternoon, everyone. Before we proceed with the prize distribution ceremony, I would like to call Anbalgan Sir, Faculty Advisor, Assistant Professor in the Chemical Engineering Department, to encourage all the participants who participated with great enthusiasm and share his experience.
Very good afternoon. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Very good afternoon. Okay. So thanks to the organizers and the coordinators who conducted, okay, to my extent, okay, at least they initiated, okay, at least I'm happy that some 30 participants are there, okay, even we couldn't able to achieve, okay, if this type of event, if we conduct, okay, with the 2 afternoon session by this time, okay, to have the number of 30 like I think and all, I think, okay, this event, okay, as I told earlier, frequently you try to conduct, okay, so that whomever are conducting, whomever are participating, okay, so that both will get benefit, okay. We shouldn't stop with this ongoing final years also, okay. It should extend it to the third years. When third years come, or this third years parallel, they should do any type of event as such, which is more technically like that and all. Okay, so they can able to continue in future also, and with even instead of 30, okay, from next time onwards, I expected some 300 or like that. Okay, nothing wrong in if it has been shared, okay, among your Instagram in within SRM group, okay, within all the colleges where chemical engineering is there. Need not be that it should restrict to chemical engineering. Okay, so if we can able to raise the fund, okay, but through department or through SRM, we can nothing wrong in giving any prize money, okay, instant prize money to anyone like a token, okay, having some prize money of 500 or 1,000 like that. Okay, so in that, if more participation is there, okay, so in future, okay, it can extend it up to 300 or 500 like that. Okay, with number of participants I'm telling. Okay, so I think really you might enjoy it. Okay, we as a faculty, okay, we will be enjoying and we will be feel proud if our department, okay, if it gets focused outside, okay, if our students are talents are being shown outside this world and all, okay. As we know, okay, chemistry is coming to the event, okay, coming to the event, as all of us knows that chemistry is for some people it is a easy subject, and for some people, okay, little bit not easy, they may not be comfortable, okay. The problem is better understanding, better interest, okay, it might hidden, okay, that interest, and so for them and all, it unless we make them to promote like learning this chemistry, okay, like in a pictorial manner, somewhat interesting how it was being shown today, okay, for in two manners, okay, just by seeing like an elementron and the chem cross, like just by seeing that thing, okay, we'll come to know, we won't forget, okay, what is its material made up of like that and all, okay. So we can make, we can able to teach, or we can able to motivate their thinking abilities in a different manner by teaching like this, okay. This is what the recent times, okay, for imagination and all, it can be, okay, extended, okay, so that most of the students are very brilliant because of this. Just imagine when we studied and all, okay, where there is no Google friend. Just imagine, okay, without any Google or without any mobile or without any Google, okay, how we could have struggled. Okay, now how you are enjoying now, okay, how you are enriched with more skills and all, okay. So I'm very happy that this type of elements, events like Elementron, which helps that different pictures of application of various elements, okay, the participant will be able to guess the name of the particular element, okay, likewise, so that their in imagination, decision making skills, creativity, and all those things gets enriched, okay. Similarly for Chem Cross also, it sharpens the thing and all, okay. I congrats the person, okay, who won this event, okay. So we'll meet in next event, okay, with good numbers also. Okay, at least for first year, second year, third years, and final years. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind and wiseful words for the participants. Now, I would like Aman to discuss the answers for the events and the games. Aman, over to you.
Yeah. So Sarthak, can you proceed with the first question? So the first game we'll be discussing the answers for is Elementron. So even the faculties can participate in this discussion. So sir, like, what do you feel the first element is? Okay, so both the images are glowing. So the first answer is radium. Second answer. So we have an image of a sun. So by that, like, you can guess that the element is hydrogen.
Is it hydrogen peroxide, man?
No, sir, it's hydrogen. From
No.
the second image,
Second image is something for washing or for cleaning the wound, I think.
yes, sir.
Usually for cleaning the wound, to my knowledge, hydrogen peroxide they will be cleaning.
Yes, sir. From hydrogen peroxide, you can get the element name hydrogen.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Sarthak, next. Okay, so this is like a direct answer from the images. So the first image is car, and the second image is a burn. So carbon. We have a chip. It's silicon chip, and the second one is silicon glue.
Silicon. Okay, so this silicon is used for what is that? For adhering the glasses and all. Okay, in our windows, doors, even our car windows, shields and all. They use this silicon.
Yes, sir. So the background also we have created in such a way that it can also be used as a clue. So as you can see the background, it's a car window. Next question. Yeah, so it's quite a tough question. So we decided to give a car. So it's Tata Xenon. So if participants could guess that.
Right side is some element. What is that blue? So I was confused though. That is why I went out of the meeting.
Oh,
What is that right side?
yes, sir. It's Xenon.
Xenon. So is there any car by Xenon?
Sir, it's Tata Xenon, sir.
Okay, good.
So we have provided the picture of the car.
Good. Yeah, good.
Next. Again, easy question. First one is Berry. Second image is Bruce Lee. So from there you get Lee. And the third image is Yum. So Berry, Lee, Yum. This is easy.
A very easy one.
Lead.
Carbon and lead.
Yes, lead. Next. Easy question again. Chlorine. Neon. Lithium. So we have provided the electronic configuration of lithium. So, and lithium batteries on the right. This is iodine. Iodized salt.
Yeah, why that right picture? Yeah, earlier thing. Why you shown that wound?
Sir, so we apply like iodized solution, right? When we get a cut or something. So
Okay, good.
from there, iodine.
Okay, good.
Next, sir. Easy, mercury. Iron. silver, tin. So we have provided the character of the tin. Tin. Okay. Sarthak, can you zoom into the questions? So we'll start with the first question, which is downwards. Describes the order in which electrons fill orbitals in atoms. So it's Aufbau principle. Second one, downwards. Compounds that contain only carbon and hydrogen. Hydrocarbon. Third one, across. A hypothetical gas that obeys exactly all postulates of the kinetic molecular theory. Ideal gas. Fourth one, across. The total pressure exerted by a mixture of gases is the sum of the partial pressures of the individual gases. Dalton's law. Fifth one, downwards. Covalent bond resulting from the sharing of two electrons between two atoms. Single bond. Sixth one, across. A term used to describe molecules and polyatomic ions that have one atom in the center and 6 atoms at the corners of the octahedron. Octahedral. Seventh one, downwards. A positive ion, an atom or group of atoms that has lost one or more electrons. Cation. Eighth one, across. The substance will remain the same through a dash change, physical change. The chemistry of substances that contain carbon-hydrogen bonds, organic chemistry. Last one, the temperature at which liquid and solid coexist in equilibrium. Also the freezing point. Answer is melting point. That's it with the answers.
Yeah, to add whatever Sarthak present and whatever the discussion going, I thought some videos will be there. Say like in nowadays and all, if you go to some what is that in functions, marriage functions and all, they more attracted in the life, which we see. This is what I seen in day-to-day life. Then I thought, like you are telling, no, I thinking ability is like that. Why it is like that? Why it is not like that? As a chemical engineer, okay, since it is related to chemical and chemistry, so we should be knowing all those things. Okay.
Yes, we will surely look into it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for participating in the discussion. Now I would like to call. Now the time has come to announce the winners of the technical event Desi Camp, which was conducted online. To announce the winner, I would like to call Miss Pongli Ma'am, who is the chief guest of our event, to announce the winner.
Before the announcement today, sir, you're able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's better.
Okay. Before the announcement of would like to congratulate all the organizers, particularly the effort of the third year students. And this is the first time I'm seeing you people into this G-Meet, I think. Okay. Final year students, I've handled students, I know them. But third year students, and this is the first time I'm seeing you people over here. Okay, congratulations to all of you. You have put in a lot of efforts. Okay. Like this, after this set batch goes away, you have to train your juniors also to conduct these kinds of events. Okay. They should not end within a year or two. It should prolong and it should go on also. Okay, some suggestions. Okay, today's events like Elementron and ChemCross were all good, but you can include more of chemical engineering rather than chemistry, as Anbalagan has suggested. Okay, even second year students now, since it's going to be the end of third semester, you people might know fluid mechanics, chemical process calculations, and fundas of chemical engineering they know. Therefore, you try to include concepts covering chemical engineering. Okay, some basic concepts in fluid mechanics, chemical process calculations, and thermodynamics you can include. Okay, this is a suggestion. When you are organizing events later, you can include all these things. Coming to the announcement of results of this event, the prize goes to Praveen Raj, Anna University, Trichy. Praveen Raj is here. Raj?
Madam, your
Yes.
voice is little bit breaking.
Is it clear, sir, now? You're able to hear me, ma?
No, ma'am, it's breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
The third place is Praveen Raj from Trichy, and second place Deep Katiyar from SRM IST KTR. Deep Katiyar is from second year or third year?
In third year.
Third. And the first place goes to Kaushik Vallabaneni from SRM IST. Congratulations to all the winners. And good effort by all the students of the chemical engineering department. The juniors, the third year students, you have done very well. And special mention to Mr. Bhavya as well as Chandan. Bhavya, whatever you have started, sing in a good manner. I hope you continue this in the next semester and your juniors also accordingly. Congratulations, ma'am, and thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations to all the winners and participants who took out their time and participated in the event. Dhruv, do you have anything to say?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay. Now I would request Mr. Bhavya Garawat, the Vice President of the SRM Chemical Club, to speak a few words.
Thank you all for participating. And this time also, just like the previous time, we had given a very small amount of time to our juniors, and we wanted to see that how well are they able to work under pressure. And I feel that they have worked very well, and things did go up and down here and there, but then that's how we learn our mistakes. And other than that, right now about this club, currently we have a lot of scope for chemical engineering. It is going to boom very soon, and hence we are being the part of this SRM Chemical Club. We are trying our best to share all the information that we can about the latest technology, about all the new information about our club, and we hope that it benefits everyone, and we try to achieve all the higher goals that we can. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bhavya. Keep on motivating us. At last, it takes immense pleasure to deliver a vote of thanks for this technical event, DAISYChem, to all the participants and dignitaries who have assembled here. First, I would like to thank all the participants who participated with great zeal and enthusiasm and keep on participating in such events. That's more important. Now, I would like to thank all the faculty members for your presence. I would also like to thank President, Vice President, Director and heads of the SRM Chemical Club for their support and guidance and helping us in each and every step. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the SRM Chemical Club team members who worked very hard to organize this event in such a short span of time. Thank you everyone for joining. Congratulations once again to all the participants and winners.
Thank you.
So participants will be sharing a feedback form in the participant group as well as in the chat box section. So
kindly fill the feedback form as it will be used for the certificates.
yeah.